So Apple is preparing to launch the Apple Watch Ultra 3 this fall, and it's shaping up to be a major leap toward a more iPhone-independent experience. While the new model won't completely replace your iPhone, two standout upgrades bring it significantly closer to operating as a standalone device in daily life. The addition of 5G connectivity addresses one of the biggest complaints users have had when trying to use the Apple Watch without a paired iPhone. With 5G, everyday tasks like sending messages, accessing maps, streaming music, and using Siri are expected to become faster, smoother, and far more reliable. This will allow users to leave their phones behind more often without compromising functionality. Equally notable is the introduction of satellite messaging, a feature that first appeared on recent iPhone models. With this, users will be able to send messages even when traditional cellular networks are unavailable. Though especially beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and those in remote areas, satellite messaging also offers extra security and convenience for urban users in case of emergencies or network outages. It's a powerful step toward untethering users from their smartphones. Combined, these two features mark a clear shift in Apple's wearable strategy. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just for fitness tracking or receiving notifications anymore. It's becoming a fully capable mobile device in its own right. The aim appears to be broad appeal, targeting not only adventurers and athletes, but also everyday users who want more flexibility and freedom from their iPhones. Apple's move toward greater independence for the Apple Watch reflects broader industry trends as wearables become more powerful and connected. With the Ultra 3, users may increasingly find themselves leaving their phones behind, whether on a morning run, a hike, or even just a trip to the store, without feeling disconnected. Of course, whether this shift leads to widespread behavior change is yet to be seen. But what's clear is that Apple is positioning the Watch Ultra 3 as more than a companion device. With 5G and satellite messaging on board, it's becoming a serious standalone tool, one that might redefine how people use and rely on wearable tech. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.